Welcome back. This is lesson 6 in this section of the training, copy and paste options. Still on the training, how to get started with Excel. In this lesson, we'll be looking at how you can copy and paste with Clipboard. I am Amaka Ifebunando, your instructor. The Excel Clipboard helps the user to copy multiple cell ranges simultaneously. We'll be illustrating that in this lesson. First of all, to access and open your clipboard, you go to the Home tab of your ribbon. Under the Clipboard section, there is a navigation arrow, right? You can see this navigation where my cursor is hovering, and immediately it hovers, the Clipboard preview pops up. You select, and your clipboard is open. So before you can copy any cell, you have to open your clipboard, right? So I'll be copying different range of cell into this onto this clipboard. So watch closely as I do that. First, I'll copy this particular cell, and when you select, you either use the copy option on the clipboard section of the Home tab or your keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. I'll be using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C, and immediately I copy the cell or cell range selected. It copies onto the clipboard. You can see that it's right onto the clipboard. I'll just click escape, copy the next range. I'll copy this range. Good. I'll copy this range. This is the second range. So I'll say Ctrl+C using my keyboard. Good. You see the second range has been copied onto the clipboard. I'll click escape, copy the third range. This is the third range, and I'll use my keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. Good. You have the third range also copied onto the clipboard. I'll click escape. Good. Now, we have 3 cell ranges on the clipboard copied. So with this cell ranges on the clipboard, I can paste it anywhere on this workbook, anywhere. I can place it on this sheet. I can open a new sheet still on this workbook and paste it. So I'll open a new sheet and I'll paste it. So I'll select cell A1. You can paste individually or you can paste using the paste all option, right? So I'll be pasting all first. Good, you can see all the copied range, all the copied cell ranges has just been pasted on this worksheet right now. You can see the effect. So I can also paste a particular cell range. If I don't want to paste all the ranges that I've copied on the clipboard, I can just select any range and paste. Good. So it depends on what you want. And I can go to another sheet and paste. So you can paste on any worksheet on the workbook. Let me just paste this here too, you see. So you can paste anywhere. I can select here and you paste, you understand? So you can paste anywhere on the worksheet. So the Excel clipboard makes it easier for the user to paste anywhere on the worksheet. You can copy different ranges and paste anywhere on the worksheet or on different worksheets or on any worksheet on the workbook, right? So when you are done, you can easily clear all or clear any of the section. You immediately you hover around, you see this arrow key drop down, you click on delete. So I can delete this, or I can just delete. If I want to delete all, instead of going one after the other deleting it, you just say clear all. Good. And when you are done, you can close your clipboard and that's it. So that's how you use the Excel clipboard to copy and paste in Excel. I believe we now have an understanding of this. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson.